Discover the Nescafé Dolce Gusto Piccolo XS, a sleek black and red coffee machine that brews professional quality drinks with a powerful 15-bar pump, creating velvety creamer every time. With over 40 beverage options, including Starbucks and hot or cold choices, it's perfect for any kitchen. Compact, easy to use, and eco-friendly. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Tassimo TAS3 102GB special edition coffee machine in sleek black, offering effortless one-button operation with Smart Start and IntelliBrew technology for perfect drinks every time. Brew over 70 favorites from well-known brands like Costa and Cadbury with automatic cleaning, a removable water tank, and a compact design, ideal for any kitchen or office. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Loire Barista Sublime Coffee Capsule Machine by Philips, the ultimate way to enjoy cafe-quality espresso at home. With high-pressure brewing up to 19 bar, customizable coffee volumes and compatibility with Loire and Nespresso capsules, you can indulge in a single or double shot effortlessly. Plus, it comes with a variety capsule pack. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the AeroPress Coffee and Espresso Maker, the ultimate gadget for crafting smooth, rich, grit-free coffee in just seconds. Its patented 3-in-1 brew technology combines agitation, pressure, and microfiltration, delivering full-bodied flavor without bitterness. Compact, durable, and perfect for travel or gifting. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Imagine brewing rich, Italian-inspired espresso in seconds with the Nespresso Cities coffee machine by DeLonghi. Its 19 by 18 but high-pressure pump and compact design make it effortless to enjoy quality cafe-style drinks at home. Plus, with programmable options and automatic shutoff, it's perfect for coffee lovers seeking convenience and style. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the AeroPress Go Portable Travel Coffee Press Kit, the ultimate way to enjoy fresh, smooth coffee anywhere in just a minute. Brew 1 to 3 cups of American espresso or cold brew with ease, all packed inside a nifty mug that doubles as a travel case. Perfect for coffee lovers on the move. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Nescafé Dolce Gusto Genio S+, a sleek black coffee machine that brews professional quality hot and cold drinks with a powerful 15-bar pump and over 40 beverage options, including Starbucks. Compact and easy to use, it's perfect for any kitchen. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment.